I saw a man today who said he talked to you. Not so long ago, I think a month or two. As my mind's raced back in time, afraid, oh Lord, don't let it show. It thinks I forgot you 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I was broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Takes a mighty strong love to keep a man thinking of a girl he hasn't seen since 15 years ago. I've got a lovely wife who thinks the world for me. Promise her my love through all eternity.
May I call on JP Palaspas? Mr. JP Palaspas.
And so far she doesn't know I can shake this thing of 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I'm as broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Takes a mighty strong love to get the real love of your mind. I know I've tried since 15 years ago.
Okay.
Hey.
So let us continue our program.